Hello everyone, Ruby this side from EnglishWise Canberra branch. Today we will be discussing whether we can use the one-line strategy in the exam or not. The answer to that question is 100% you can use it. Many of us students manage to get 90 or 90 in speaking with the one-line strategy. But you have to be extremely careful while using the one-line strategy because you have to follow these three important rules. The first one is you have to speak minimum 8 words, maximum 12 words. You cannot speak less than 8 words and you cannot speak more than 12 words. And you can take from anywhere of the paragraph, doesn't matter, but it needs to be in the sequence. So some people say you just need to speak like the first part of the paragraph. Some people say you just have to speak the last part of the paragraph. That's not the case. You can speak from anywhere of the paragraph. The second important aspect is actually taking care of the fluency. You have to make sure that you speak at a medium pace. Do not speak very slow. Do not speak very fast. You have to speak at a medium pace. The next important aspect is actually the pronunciation. Kindly take care of your pronunciation. Speak clearly. Don't speak in a hurry. The last important aspect that as soon as you finish speaking, go to the next question. Do not wait over there for the recording to get it finished. If you're taking care of these important rules in your read alouds, you can manage to get full 90 on 90 in speaking. But before you actually give your PT exam, make sure that you guys do the Pearson mock test from the official Pearson website. From that, if you're getting the good score in speaking, which you will be initially getting it if you're using these strategies, then go ahead and use the one-line strategy in the actual PT exam. I hope this answers all your questions in relation to the one-line strategy. If you guys need any help in relation to PT, IELTS or general English, please call EnglishWise. Until then, thank you.